Okay, so it's Raymond Cahoon here today from Scotland Nautique, and we're looking at the SuperYacht G23, which is Nautique's premier offering in the wakeboard market. The boat is suited for wakeboarding and wake surfing, and has been voted the world's best wakeboard and wake surf boat for the last 5 years. Okay. So let's have a wee look around the boat. Basically, the hull shape took 3 years to develop, so it's a very sophisticated hull shape. It starts off with a deep V, runs to a flat back, and all the shapes and angles here, the surf system, make the wave at the back the best the industry's ever seen, along with the amount of ballast that we can put in the boat. So the boat itself has 3 main ballast tanks, one in the front and 2 in the rear, and we can put 2,850 pounds of water ballast in the boat to make the wave bigger.
Okay, so how does that help to improve the wake?
So the combination of the weight in the boat, so the heavier we can make the boat, and the mechanical surf system here creates the wave, and we can tweak that a little bit. On the dashboard we have some little functions where we can make the wake sort of fatter and bigger, or longer and shorter, so it's quite manoeuvrable. Okay, so at the back of the boat here there's quite a lot going on. This is a surf pipe, and the surf pipe takes all the petrol fume away from the rider when they're surfing. The exhaust fume is directed into the water. We have a rear thruster here which works with the steering automatically, or you can run it manually as well. And we also have the NCRS plate which works with the throttle to hook the boat onto the plane and to adjust the surf wave. And then either side, port and starboard, we actually have the surf plates. If the surf plate is out on the port side, you would be surfing here on the starboard side, and vice versa. The whole boat is controlled by this computer screen here, and it's really easy to use. You can either use it by touch screen, or you can use the mouse and navigate through the screen with the mouse. And round about the mouse you have the top 5 functions that you would use on a daily basis. So you've got the cruise control button, the rider settings, the all important music button, and then the home screen. Okay, and then within that, if you use the mouse, you can then go into separate menus and dive a bit deeper into the controls of the boat. So basically, as with all wakeboard boats, the main settings are that the speed is consistent, so the cruise control and the ballast make the boat function. We have, for a bit of safety, the awareness camera which is mounted in the tower, so you can see what's round about at the back. It saves you looking over your shoulder. And then we have some nice features: phone holder, adjustable steering wheel, flip up booster seat here if you need it. Okay. The nice walk-through, the pocket door, the screen of course comes over as well, and then you've got lots of storage in the boat. The seat moves up here, the seat is moved here as well. And also you can move this seat back the way to make some stadium seating. So here you can just have all your friends and family sitting watching the action behind the boat. So maybe move this back down. You have a table. You've got a ton of storage left and right in the back bins. And of course the all important engine, 6.2 litre, 450 horsepower, and it's a coastal edition, so it'll take the salt water. Oh, wow. So basically this boat is 23 foot long. It comes in a 23 foot version, which is this one. It comes in a 21 and a 25 foot version. It's got a range of about 8 hours, so it's a good day boat. You can pump 2,850 pounds worth of ballast into the boat in the underfloor tanks, which gives the boat the extra weight it needs to do wakeboarding and wake surfing.